Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Tesla number plate Model Y. Easy method. Start by parking on a flat surface and clearing the rear area so you have room to work. Use a trim tool to pry off plastic clips gently, then remove the two T25 screws that secure the number plate bracket. Keep track of bolts and clips in a small container to avoid misplacing any parts during reassembly. Begin by removing the visible screws and supporting the plate so it does not fall. Pry the lower clips outward with a trim tool while applying gentle upward pressure on the plate. If clips resist, wiggle slightly to free them without forcing. Inspect the bracket and mounting points for damage or missing hardware before installing a replacement plate or reattaching the original for a secure fit and flush appearance. If clips or bolts are damaged, swap them for OEM-style replacements to ensure proper alignment and longevity. Straighten any bent bracket parts cautiously using padded pliers, or fit a new bracket if cracks are present. When refitting the plate, align clips first, then insert screws hand tight before final snugging. Check the plate for rattles by gently tapping. If it moves, recheck clip seating and screw tension for a solid, quiet install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.